Out of many oud oils which I have recently tested from Ansar Oud, this is one of my favorite profile, and which is Kanbojia or Kanbojia Senkoh. Now this is from Cambodia and distilled in just 2022, very recent distillation. But this is one of my favorite scent profiles I'm going to explore just in 1 minute. So let's try to apply it on my hand. I just sniffed it from the bottle and I'm going to now apply it on my hand. Let's apply it on my finger over here because I have used most of the areas on my hand. Okay, so it has similarities to some of the Chinese oud oils that are, mellow and rounded, and they have a very kind of decent kind of smell, like a person who is very, conservative and he doesn't talk too much, just like that. Let's try to apply it on my, just to heat it up a bit because it's cold inside this room. Oh, this is now kind of like Pursat kind of smell to me. Pursat region is from Cambodia and it has scent like trees and leaves and kind of strange leafy kind of woody kind of scent, and it has now sweetness, some airiness. Definitely there is something from Pursat in it because I am sniffing a lot of Pursat oud oil. Some people, they love it. I really don't enjoy a purely Pursat oud oils. I think there might be a co-distillation of two woods from Cambodia. That is why it says Senkoh. Senkoh is normally used for Sri Lankan oud oils. I'm not sure about this one, but mostly I have seen that Sri Lanka Senkoh and other oud oils, they are a bit airy and breezy. That is why most Sri Lankan oud oils like that. So this is Kanbojia Senkoh. Deep, dense, light woody, mellow, light airy, light breezy. Very different Cambodi profile. So comparing to Moroccan SQ or Malaysian oud oils, I think this is a very good Cambodian oud oil, but not as good as Malaysian. I really love Malaysian and Indonesian oud oils. They are really superb, herbal, airy, kind of minty notes there are. They're light, sweet, airy, dense, chocolatey, sometimes minty. They are really, really amazing. Dense, musky. So Malaysian oud oils, they are my favorite. I'm not sure what are your favorites. Then the next region I love is Cambodia and Koh Kong and Pursat I don't like much, but Koh Kong is my favorite region. Yes, it is very similar to, or it has some, you can say, similarities to Chinese oud oils. So this is my review about Kanbojia Senkoh from Ansar Oud, distilled in 2022. Its bottle is available like 3 ml for $600. It is on the bit of expensive side because it is a wild oud oil that is not grown organically. So this is my review about Kanbojia Senkoh. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will keep on making more videos about oud oils because a lot of people, Western people mostly, they think that oud oils are stinky and funky and they have very strange fermentation or very different or nasty kind of smell. So this is not true. If you really want to sniff artisanal oud oils and Ansar Oud and other oud oils, I have another video where you can find all the people who are distilling artisanal grade oud oils. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.